What is the role of human being in the environment? A human person living in the environment is to take care of nature, protect natural resources, and maintain a healthy balance between human and environment. Since we depend on environment for our daily needs like food, water, and clean air, we also have the responsibility to take care and to protect it for our future generations. So, how do human action affects nature positively and negatively? Human actions can affect nature in both positive and negative ways. Positive actions include pollution, deforestation, and improper waste disposal, and overuse of natural resources, which can harm the environment.
Environmental issues present in our community. The improper ways like plastic pollution, air pollution, and flooding caused by lack draining system. I can help to protect the environment by practicing proper waste segregation, reducing the use of plastic, saving water, electricity, and participating in environmental activities.